What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to play I See Fire by Ed Sheeran on the good old uke. But as always, before we dive into this tutorial, make sure to hit that red subscribe button below. It looks a little bit like this if you haven't already. It will turn gray. Also, if you want to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube, make sure to hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe icon. And finally, I would love you forever if you just gave this video a thumbs up. That basically tells YouTube that this video is good, this is awesome, and they'll hopefully share it out to other people that don't know that this channel exists just yet. And that's how we grow this channel. So I would love if you gave this video a big old thumbs up. But enough of that promo stuff. Let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. So the chords that you need for this song are A, B minor, D, E minor 7, G, and last but not least, G flat minor. So if you're like, Ricky, I know how to play an A or a B minor or a G, let's move on to the strumming. Let's learn how we play this song. Then I will go ahead and put a skip to section right here. So that basically just lets you skip to whatever section in the video that you want. I also did record a full song of this on the uke. It is not a play along, but if you want me to do a play along, leave them in the comments below letting me know that you're interested in a full play along. That just basically just means chords and lyrics on screen, but I did do a cover of it. I think it was last year. It's one of my favorite covers and it's doing pretty awesome. So I definitely highly recommend if you want to go check that out. It's the full song. It just doesn't have lyrics and chords on screen. But again, if you want me to do that, I will make one. Just let me know in the comments below and I will make it as soon as possible. But if you're like, Ricky, I don't know what a E minor 7, G, A, I don't know those chords, help me, I don't know how to play them. Don't worry, that is why this video exists. We're going to go step by step on how to play each chord, where to put your fingers for each chord, and then let's move on to strumming. But before we talk about the chords, let's go ahead and pick up our uke and let's talk about how we're going to number the strings and the frets. So let's pick up our uke, and the top string is going to be the 4th string. The next one down is going to be the 3rd. The next one down is going to be the 2nd, and the last one at the bottom, that's going to be the 1st string. So it's going to be 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's go look at our neck of our uke, and you see these lines right here. That is going to be the 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, and then so on. So if you do need a little bit more time and just kind of taking a look at your uke and getting familiar with the numbering of the strings and the frets, I highly recommend that you pause this video and just, get comfortable with your uke because you're going to be playing it hopefully a lot and getting really comfortable with playing. So again, pause this video if you need a little bit more time. And now let's talk about chords. So as always with every tutorial that I upload here on YouTube, I will be putting a visual representation of where you need to be putting your fingers for each chord right here. I feel like it's a lot easier especially for beginners, just kind of visually see where your fingers need to be, but I will be talking you through the finger placement as well. So the first chord that we need for this song is an A, and how we play this one is I like to take my pointer finger and I like to place it on the 3rd string, 1st fret. Then I take my middle finger and I place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord is a B minor, and how I like to play this one is I like to take my pointer finger and I like to go over all 4 strings on the 2nd fret, and then I take my middle finger and I place it on the 4th string, 4th fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we're going to learn is the D chord, and how I like to play this one is I like to take my pointer finger and I like to go over the top 2 strings, which is the 4th and 3rd, on the 2nd fret. And then I take my middle finger and I place it on the 2nd string, 2nd fret. So basically you're just covering the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string on the 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is an E minor 7, and how I like to play this one is I like to take my pointer finger and I like to place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and then I take my middle finger and I place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we're going to need is a G chord, and how I like to play this one is I like to take my pointer finger and I like to place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, And then I take my middle finger and I place it on the first string, 2nd fret. And then I take my ring finger and I place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. And the last chord that we need for this song is a G flat minor, and how I like to play this one is I like to take my pointer finger and I like to place it on the 3rd string, 1st fret. Then I take my middle finger and I place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret. And then I take my ring finger and I place it on the 2nd string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. So those are all the chords that you need for this song. If you do need a little extra time with just kind of getting comfortable with the chord positioning and also transitioning between each chord, make sure to pause this video and just really practice the chords for this song. Get familiar, get comfortable, and then as soon as you feel like you're comfortable and you're there to move on to the strumming, then just keep on watching. So let's talk about how we're actually going to play this song with the strumming and how I play it. Let's do in sections first. So basically this song starts off with a B minor to D to A to G. So how I strum this is I do for the B minor, I do down, up, and then I go to D, which is just going to be down, up, down, up. And then for the A, we're going to strum like we did for B minor, which is down, up, and then you're going to go to G and do down, up, down, up. So again, all you need to memorize for the strumming is down, up, down, up, down, up. So again, B minor gets the down, up, up. D gets the down, up, down, up. Then you go back to the first part of the strumming is for the A is down, up, up. And then the G gets the down, up, down, up. So again, if you do it a little bit quicker, it's just going to be B minor. So again, I feel like we need to do it one more time, just slower. I feel like we're almost there. So again, B minor, the first chord gets the down, up, down, up. And then you switch to the next chord, which is the D, down, up, down, up. And then we go to A, which is just down, up, up. And then G gets the down, up, down, up. So again, you're going from down, up, to down, up, down, up, back to down, up, then down, up, down, up. So basically each chord gets that little section. So again, B minor, down, up, D, down, up, down, up, A, down, up, and then G gets the down, up, down, up. So again, if we do it quicker, it's just going to be. So again, that is the strumming for this song. If you do need a little bit more time with just pause the video and just practice that. You can also just, if you want to do down strums, you can be like. That will also work. It's just simplifying the song. But again, that strumming pattern that I spoke about just adds a little bit of more spice. But again, down strums will sound just as good and just awesome as well. So just choose whichever you want to do. And let's go ahead and see how everything gets put together in the cover song. Again, I did not do a full play along for this song, but if you really want me to, leave in comments below letting me know that you really want me to do that, and I will do a new recording of the song with the chords and lyrics on screen. But let's go ahead and see how everything gets packaged together. The strumming, the singing, everything. Again, if you do want to see the full cover of the song, I'll link it in the eye up here, also in the description below. Definitely go check that out. Leave some love on that video. And yeah, let's go ahead and see how everything sounds together with singing, strumming, chords, everything together in 3, 2, 1. And if we should die tonight, we should all die together. Raise our glass of wine for the And now, Father, prepare as we will watch the flames burn auburn from the mountainside. Desolation comes upon the sky. So congratulations, you now know how to play Icy Fire by Ed Sheeran on the good old uke. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already and you're still watching, make sure to hit that red subscribe button below. It looks a little bit like this. Click the bell icon if you want to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. And also, finally, follow me on Instagram. It's just at Ricky Somborn. We've reached 54,000 Instagram family members, and I would love for you to join. What else? That's pretty much it. If you did like this video, again, give it a big old thumbs up. And yeah. Ooh, also, a lot of people have been asking me about this uke. This is the Leolani, if it will focus, the Leolani concert ukulele. This is one of my favorites. You can just shop their website right here. I'll also link it in the description below. They have Leolanis and Kumus, whatever you would like. They have sopranos, concerts, tenors, everything under the sun, and highly recommend this brand of uke. It's a Hawaiian company, and it's like a mom and pop shop, and it's a family oriented shop and company, so I really love working with them. Also, if you are interested in getting a new uke and you want to save a little bit money, which who doesn't want to save money these days, you can use code Ricky2020 and it'll save you 10% off your entire order, which is huge. So highly recommend these ukes. They're Hawaiian and they're beautiful and they sound awesome, as you could tell in this tutorial. Again, if you do want to save a little bit of money, use code Ricky2020 and it'll save you 10% off automatically at checkout. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I really do love that you watch these and like these. Well, hopefully you like these and love these, but I love making them. So thank you so much for hanging out with me for these 10-15 minutes. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.